Imagine a world where robots handle every job. From cooking to coding, machines are in charge. What would this future look like? Let's explore the benefits and challenges. First, the benefits. With robots taking over routine or dangerous tasks, we'd see increased efficiency and safety. In factories, robots already perform repetitive tasks, speeding up production and reducing accidents. In healthcare, robotic systems assist in surgeries, improving precision and patient outcomes. Robots could also spark incredible innovations. Freed from mundane tasks, humans might have more time for creativity and exploration, leading to advancements in technology and new fields we haven't yet imagined. Daily life could become more convenient with robots managing chores and delivering groceries. But it's not all positive. A major downside is job displacement. Many people could lose their livelihoods, leading to economic instability and increased inequality. Jobs requiring human interaction and empathy, like teaching and counseling, might suffer if robots can't replicate the human touch. Additionally, a world dominated by robots raises concerns about losing human connection and becoming overly dependent on technology. There are also ethical questions about how robots are programmed and used. So while robots taking over all jobs could offer significant benefits like improved safety and convenience, it also presents serious challenges such as job loss and diminished human touch. How we adapt to this future will determine whether it's a utopia or a struggle. What do you think about a world where robots handle all our jobs? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the future of technology. Thanks for watching.